Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up the Netgear Orbi 970 Wi-Fi 7 mesh system step by step. Step 1. Unbox your Orbi 970. Inside the box, you'll find the Orbi 970 router, RBR 970, one or more satellites, RBS 970, power adapters, and an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Place your devices. Place the Orbi router near your modem. Place the satellites in different areas of your home. You can move them later for best coverage. Step 3. Power on. Connect the Orbi router to your modem using the Ethernet cable. Plug in the router and satellites to power outlets. Wait until the LED on the router turns solid white and then pulses. Step 4. Download the Orbi app. On your smartphone, download the Netgear Orbi app, available on iOS and Android. Step 5. Start setup in the Orbi app. Open the app and create or log into your Netgear account. Tap Set up a new system. Select Orbi 970 Wi-Fi 7 system from the list. Step 6. Follow on-screen instructions. The app will detect your Orbi router. Connect your phone to the default Orbi Wi-Fi shown on the router label, SSID and password. The app will automatically configure your router. Step 7. Add satellites. The app will guide you to power on satellites. It will connect them to your router automatically. Wait until the LED on each satellite turns solid blue, good connection. Step 8. Customize your Wi-Fi. Set your Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. Save settings in the app. Step 9. Place satellites for best coverage. Move the satellites to areas with weak Wi-Fi signals. Make sure the LED stays blue for optimal performance. Step 10. Connect your devices. Connect your smartphones, laptops, smart TVs, and other devices to the new Orbi Wi-Fi network. Your Netgear Orbi 970 Wi-Fi 7 mesh system is now set up and ready. For instant help, call 1-800-915-5645.